Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper Friday, March the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. One puzzle is left. Yes, it's the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8. 8237 8237 8237. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 16 printed digits. Double numbers, yes. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. 8, 9, or 10. So you have a double of those numbers, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. This is really 4 stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Their dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here, I need more information, insufficient information right now. So let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple box? I see only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those yet. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra box? I see here 1 quadra box. Cannot fill those numbers yet. Need to wait. More quadra boxes? No. No. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. The first one is this one. Let me draw this one here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape, the T shape, upside down. The T shape, let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only 1 T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Well. Yeah. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 there. Alright. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for 1 and the 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1, should be 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then this box can be 2, this box can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me see. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Okay. And now, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this area should be here then. And now I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. Now, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay, this box can be a 3. Yeah, I need a 3 here. Alright, need a 4 there. Need to wait. Need a 3 here. Alright. Let me think. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 2. This box cannot be 4 or a 5. We have a double 4 there, double 5 there. So the 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this T-shaped area should be the numbers 1 and a 2. And it's connected with that box, should be so 1 and a 2. Alright. So we need a 4 here. And a 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 should be here or there. And yeah, the 2 could be everywhere. 2 could be here also, yeah. Let me think. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. 3. This box cannot be 1 or a 2. We have 1 and a 2 here. Yeah. If this is 1, then this should be a 2. So this can be 1 or 2. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4 are left. Okay. 3 and a 4. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Need to think. No 3 here, 3, 3. Well. 1, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I'm stuck here, No, this could be also 1. This box can be 2, can be 3, can be 5, so 2 numbers left, 1 and a 4. 5, 2. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there then. 1, 2, 3, 4 could be everywhere. And need a 5 here. Thinking. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is connected with that box, so 3 and 5. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there then. Alright. Need a 1, need a 3. Yeah. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I'm thinking. 2, 1, 2. Well. 1 and a 4. Suppose this is a 3, then that box should be also a 3. Suppose this is 5, yeah. I'm stuck, I'm really stuck here. 1, 2, 1, 2. This box cannot be 1 or a 2. 1 and 2 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 5. 3 and a 5. 1 and a 4. Well, depends. I think this box should be a 1 then. Otherwise I cannot trigger those numbers. So that box should be also a 1 then. Let me wait here. Let me wait. 3 and a 4. 1, 2. 1, need a 2 here. Well. 2 and a 2, 1, 4. 4 and a 5. I'm really stuck here. 2, 4, 5. 1 or a 3. This box will be 1 or a 3. Can it be 2? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? So 2 numbers left, 1 and a 3. Well. Yeah, this box should be a 1. Cannot be a 4. And if I enclose this with another number, suppose it's a 2, then I cannot trigger those numbers. So it should be definitely a 1. Cannot place the 4 here because we have a 4 in the same area here. Let me put the 1 here. Is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. Alright, this box can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. And these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. 3 or a 5. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. One box left in this area for number 3. I mark this box with 1 or a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. This box should be a 1 then. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, okay. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And I need a 1 here. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2. And this triple box should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes and there. 3 and a 1. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left for number 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes, and there. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright, I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 or a 2. We have a 1 now, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this square bar box. Should be here. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. 2 stars. No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster. No. 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, see you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic weekend. Yes.